I don't want to talk too much about the kind of crazy going on, but at the same time, to put ourselves within this place, to remind us yet again why we're here. Here's one. We've temporarily limited some of your account features. This account violated the Twitter rules. Specifically, you violated our rules against abuse and harassment. Well, what was the abuse and harassment? You may not engage in the targeted harassment of someone or incite other people to do so. Naughty, naughty.
Naughty, naughty.
This includes wishing or hoping that someone experiences physical harm. Well, let's find out. What's the quote? If you see anybody from the Cuomo administration in a restaurant, in a department store, at a gasoline station, you get out, you create a crowd, and you push back on them. You tell them they're not welcome anymore, anywhere. You know what's crazy about that? That's a direct quote, word for word, Maxine Waters. Maxine Waters said that. All they did is it was Trump people. That's what it was. Now maybe Twitter went after them. Maybe Twitter went after Maxine. Highly unlikely. In fact, so unlikely we can just, say it didn't happen.
We know it didn't happen, right?
But this is the kind of crazy world we live in. And I'm not saying this as a tit for tat, like, hey, why are you allowed to do it, but I'm not allowed to do it? I'm pointing out that just simply the setting that we happen to be in. I take these as matter of fact. We're in an era of absolute politics. And in absolute politics, we've seen with that pyramid structure I showed you before, with the different layers of hierarchy and authority within our institutional power, within the particular model that we have. We're on the outs, guys. And I've said, do not despair. In fact, what a great place to be. It might be difficult. It might be upsetting. I can't imagine Cuomo Watch was very happy. There's a dynamic within us of this idea of fairness that says if we see something that's not fair, it drives us bonkers. But the basic assumption, though, if you're dealing with powers that be, you don't want them peeking out from the blindfold. But we know they are.